Bracky, can you give the little girl in the book a kiss? Can you give her a kiss? Oh, you're so sweet. What about the lamb? Can you find the lamb? Can you give the lamb a kiss? Can you give the lamb? Aw, you sweet. Aw, you like the lamb. Can you give Daisy a kiss? What about Daisy? Bracky. Can you give the lamb a kiss again? Aww. Bracky, what about Daisy? Daisy wants a kiss. Can you give Daisy a kiss? Do you love the lamb? Huh? Can you give Daisy a kiss? Give Daisy a kiss. Oh, yeah, you're so sweet. Do you love Daisy? Good girl, Daisy. Yeah. Say nice, Daisy. Oh, can you give Doodle a kiss? Can you give Doodle a kiss? Give Doodle a kiss. Doodle wants a kiss. Doodle, sit. Bracky, can you give Doodle a kiss? Can you give Doodle kisses? Doodle, sit. Whoopsies. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Whoopsies. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Can you give Mama a kiss? Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Bye-bye.